Patbatam. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're inside Patbatam Kitchen today, and we welcome you all, you viewers out there. Sit down, relaxing, and enjoying the beautiful day. Today we are featuring fish, escovitch style. Okay, so this is a typical fried fish going on here with escovitch. Escovitch is our topping that we create with our, homemade marination and butter and vinegar and all that. Okay, so today inside Patbatam Kitchen, we're featuring escovitch fish. Okay, escovitch fish, very easy, very, popular dish in Jamaica. It's a much popular dish in Jamaica, where we fry the fish and put on our scotch bonnet pepper or garlic or carrots and all of that thing. Okay, but originally escovitch fish, what we used to do back in the days, it's simple and easy. Onion, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, pimento berries, vinegar. You're good to go. That's it. Alright, and your salt and pepper to taste. But as we move along, we're going to show you. This is the process of frying the fish. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the fish right here. When you turn the fish, we're going to drop our garlic inside the oil, and we're going to drop our pimento berries inside the oil, and a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper. So you're going to make normally going to make like a herb oil to complete the fish, okay? So if you put, I'm going to tell you guys now, if you put the garlic now, or before now, with the pepper and all the berries, it's just going to burn, guys. Okay, it's just going to burn and give you that flavor you don't want. Okay, so on the second turn, midway the fish, you're going to drop your garlic and your scotch bonnet pepper and your berries inside, okay? At this point now, you're going to drop your garlic around the oil. Yes. Now you're going to get an herb oil right there now. That flavor you're going to get from that thing. Remember I tell you, you're going to get that flavor. Now, you don't want your garlic burned. So this is the time now you got your garlic and your pepper inside. You give it a shake. Oh my word. Yes. Now the fish can absorb your garlic and your scotch bonnet pepper flavor. Okay? So the next move from this, you're going to throw some pimento berries you're going to put inside this one. Okay, here you go. You got your pimento berries, okay? Okay, so what? We're going to give them a crack. You're gonna drop the pimento berries around it. Okay. Here you go. I'll get the rest of the ingredients and I'll show you what's going on. Put it together. Talk to you. Patbatam Kitchen. Coming to you from inside that place. The kitchen itself. Patbatam place. Okay? Okay, here we go here. This is all the thing going on here on the cutting board, okay? On the cutting board you can find, we have red peppers, yes. Got some yellow onions, yes. Over here we got some escallion too. If you notice we got some escallion, yes. And over here, this is the magic of our secret right here inside Patbatam Kitchen. This is chocha, guys. Okay, this is chocha back in the days when my people look about Portlanders on a whole. We're looking after escovitch. We don't have whole pa carrot and all them look at something there. We don't have them whole pa something there. Yeah? Carrot was down the country days. Alright? Done the country thing. So we use chocha. Grandma used to use chocha. So what over here, if you notice on the Patbatam stove, we have melted butter. In the same breath we have vinegar. This is our homemade vinegar, and this vinegar is made from chocolate. Alright, you know the nectar from the chocolate that we ferment? This is what my grandma used to use and my old people used to use make vinegar. We're gonna put it inside the butter. Okay? We're gonna put it inside the butter. That's about 4 teaspoons of that, of the vinegar. Okay? Now whisk it. Okay? So we'll get back to you as soon as we whisk it up, and we're gonna show you what's happening. Patbatam Kitchen. Now you're going to put them on the slow heat. Okay? Put them back on the stove. I was saying earlier on, the vinegar is made from chocolate nectar. After ferment, we take off that juice, and then in the process we keep it locked for 4 or 5 days. And look at this. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is our chocolate nectar vinegar. Okay, and this is what we use inside. See the pimento leaf inside. You can see the pimento berries inside. So this is what it looks like. This is our chocolate vinegar. Okay. Right now, yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, see it look alright, creamy and nice. Okay, fluffy and creamy, the juice is dropping on. You don't need no more water in it, but you need it buttery. Okay, and the reason why it look like this now, we get it buttery. One main thing we do, we whisk the butter and the vinegar together, so it comes creamy. Your food becomes creamy and nice. Creamy, smooth. Okay? Smooth. The salt is right inside that. And for the magic touch, we have a little Patbatam touchings. Okay? So you got a pinch of the Patbatam touchings you have inside that. Patbatam seasoning, you call it. Patbatam. This is our fish. This is what it looks like. Okay? And this is our escovitch right here. Okay? So I'm going to bring the escovitch, you know, and we put it on the fish like that. Okay? Put down the fish like that. Okay? And this is what it looks like. Okay? This escovitch fish, Patbatam style, in 1 second. Yes, man. This is what it looked like, guys. This is what our escovitch look like. Yeah? There you go. Very easy, very unique, different style. Patbatam Kitchen style. Okay? If you like it, let's hear from you guys. Let's hear what you have to say. And remember, the vinegar is unique. Different type of vinegar. Chocolate vinegar. Smooth, fresh flavor coming from this with a sweet background on your palate. Okay, so you can always eat in escovitch fish. Continue to eat escovitch. You know, some place you go and eat escovitch, you have 2-3 pieces, your throat began to burn you, or your tongue began to become, you know, yeah, your taste bud began to burn out. Inside Patbatam Kitchen, no. You eat this fish all day, straight, non-stop. So once you come inside the kitchen and you get this pot, this type of meal, you'll be having this meal all day, continuously. And what it does, it opens your appetite, this type of food. Yes. So if you run your bar and all them something then you want man to drink and eat and whatever, this type of fish, you prepare this way, you give them to eat and you see what happens. Alright? So here we go, Patbatam Kitchen, taking the thing to the people and again. Alright? Just like that we have it. Alright? Patbatam Kitchen. Escovitch. Patbatam.